String CSS box model and advanced technique and application. Here we have day 6 of part 3 box model. Hello CSS enthusiasts, it's Krishna Sharma from Kredict and today is day 6 of our CSS journey. If you are ready to take your designing skill to the next level, hit subscribe. In this third part of our box model exploration, we will delve into the advanced techniques and practical application. So first we will recap from day 5. Before we dive into the today's content, let's quickly recap what we have covered in the second part of our box model. On day 5 we have just explored borders and margin. If you missed it, catch up the enhance your understanding of these crucial concepts. So here we have a advanced border styling. So how we can give the advanced border styling to your document. Building on your knowledge of border, let's explore advanced border styling technique and add a touch to angles to our elements. We have looked at different border styles, radius, properties, and how to create unique border effects. So we have this unique border effects. First we will make a index file and link the style file. First we will make a style file and in the HTML we will just link style. So we have linked the style file and here we will just give a box, a class, and we have just linked the style. So here we have this. So width of 200 pixel and height is 100 pixel, padding of 220 pixel and border is 2 pixel dashed and this color and border radius in 10 pixels. So first we will see the what is this dashed. So we have in the previous video seen the border of solid, but here we have a dash. So dashed is this. So we will see, just go like this. So here we have a dashed border. In the previous video we see the solid. This is a solid border and this is dashed border. I hope you are getting this. So just give a border radius to it. We have a border radius 10 pixel. So you can see the curve in the corner of this box. So if we increase this border radius, you can see here we have a body. In the body we have this box and box border radius is 10 pixel. Now we will increase this to 110 pixels. So you can see this, we have just make a circle in the corner of this border. Let's move to next. We have added a dashed border with a vibrant color and a rounded corner, creating a visual appealing element. I hope you are getting this. So let's mastering margins for layout control. Margins play a crucial role in layout control. Let's explore advanced technique for using margin to create a responsive and aesthetically pleasing designs. We will look at negative margin, collapse margins, and how to achieve precise spacing. So here we have a container and item. So we will give a margin 20 pixel and margin bottom minus 10 pixel. Here we have this example. We will see a negative margin also. First we will give this in the styling and make a container and items. So we will first make a container. Here we have a container, just like anything Kredict, and same this we will make a item. So the like Kredict here is amazing, and see we have a item and container. So if we see here we have this Kredict and item here. So we give the item a minus margin, so it will not giving the spacing here. So if I give spacing to it, like if I give a positive, then it will give a spacing, but if I give a minus, this will opposite of margin. I hope you are getting this. So let's move to next. In this example we are using negative margin to achieve overlapping elements within a container, showcasing a versatility of margin manipulation. So box sizing specifying layout calculation. The box sizing property is a game changer for layout calculation. Let's understand how it simplifies our work by including padding and border into the defined width and height of the element. Here we have this. So just we have box adding border box. So first we will give this here in the box. Remove this style of the box. So if we give box sizing border box, first we have to remove this also. If I inspect this and go to DOM, here you can see box sizing border box just change the look. You can see the calculation is very easy. 22 yani means 22 pixels of height. I hope you are getting this. So by setting box sizing border box, we ensure that the specified width and height include padding and border, simplifying our layout calculations. If you mastering advanced box model technique is expanding your design toolkit, hit like and subscribe or insight in the comments. Subscribe for more daily CSS insights. Thanks for joining me today. I am Krishna Sharma from Kredict. Signing off. Keep coding, keep designing, and I will see you in the next video.